Consumer Cellular fully supports adding cellular Apple Watches to existing accounts. The Apple Watch must be a cellular model from Series 3 or later, paired with an iPhone running iOS 14 or higher. Newer models use eSIM technology for activation. There are no upfront fees for adding the Apple Watch itself. A one-time activation fee of $10 may apply. Consumer Cellular allows up to 3 cellular devices per account. Unlimited data plans are recommended to avoid overages. An active plan within the carrier's coverage area is required. In summary, you need a compatible cellular Apple Watch, an active consumer cellular plan, and to be within the carrier's coverage area. Adding an Apple Watch leverages eSIM technology. The watch will inherit your iPhone's number for calls and texts, but use its own data plan. eSIM enables remote activation without physical SIMs, managed via the Consumer Cellular app or website. Scan a QR code via Apple's Watch app to activate the eSIM. Authenticate via the Consumer Cellular app or website for security. Ensure your iPhone has the latest iOS version. Check that your Apple Watch is compatible with the Consumer Cellular network before starting.